I say right foot, left foot, step up, shoot. Smack it in my hand, cause it shit like a salute. My little brother just threw back a 10, bitch just bitch, you ain't my boo, don't get no fuss with what you do. This right here 400 for a lot, this ain't no juice. Yeah,
he was doing what? Ran the shade rain in the bike. What the light bar at?
In the truck.
You left the light bar in the truck, man.
Thought you ain't gotta put it on.
Hey man, if I did want to put it on there, they don't mean that you shouldn't grab it, brother. I don't mean no stupid people allowed. I say it.
Zero.
What that mean? I did clean the man cave.
You got no gas, nigga. Sorry, mother.
What you need gas for?
You ain't got no gas in that hoe.
How you know I ain't got gas in there?
I just think so.
How you know I ain't got gas in there though?
Fired up.
That's what I'm saying. You just thinking. How you know I ain't got gas?
Cause ain't no gas in the jug. I know ain't no gas in the mini bike.
How you know there ain't no gas in the mini bike? Check.
Cause if it mean you ain't, that mean cause it was empty like 2 days ago. That mean you ain't filled it up.
Check the mini bike and see what you see in there. Check it and you tell me what you see. Open it up. No, don't shake it. Open it. Cause you scared. What's in there?
Yeah, just a sip.
Just
Just a sip.
Ain't nothing in there.
Just a sip in there.
Don't worry about the fulfill. Ready to put that regular scrambler back on there. Make the bike look like somewhat home. Well, let me tell you, do it like this. Do it like this. Why don't you just take that and take it out there?
Cause that's not supposed to be out there yet.
Yeah, it is. Don't get that out too, cause we might have to use it. You just want to ride. I know what you want to do.
This motherfucker right here.
Huh?
Something to kill me for the day over with.
We gotta make it through the day first.
I don't think we is gonna make it through the day riding this.
That's why I don't like coming to get you, cause you don't want to do no work.
Man, what the fuck is this big ass dog doing? Big motherfucker, that's a big ass dog, bro. I did not know that dog that was that big, bro.
Yeah, he's gonna be down here in the way.
That nigga big.
Bruh, come on, fool. You putting oil in it. You a little slow, I think. You a little slow, I think, nephew. You don't care about nothing but the stuff that you want to do. Look how you turn shit up.
Nigga, that was you. You just opened the door and did that.
Bro, I didn't do that, bro. That was just like that because when you just came down through him. You gonna die.
We all gonna die.
Not all of us. Get your big back ass out the camera.
Hey, bro, you ain't no good cameraman, bro.
How come I ain't?
Cuz, bro, what the fuck is you doing, bro? What is you doing?
Are you prepared?
What are you doing, bro?
Are you prepared? Come on, man. You don't want to do no riding in by fire it up. Let me hear something. Fire that Sweet John Jr. up. Okay, so right quick, right fast, we're gonna try to add a light bar to the 450. We pick one up, and then we're gonna put the stock exhaust back on. Where all that mud come from on you?
Riding through the water.
Why did you hit the water?
I ain't had no choice to. 2 potholes full of water. I was like, which one should I go through?
Is them stains or that's mud? See little dot.
That's like when the water come up.
Record, Paul.
Yes, sir.
Paul, record, Paul. I don't want to set this on the dirt, Paul.
So what we doing today?
We're gonna put the stock. See that right there? We're gonna put that back on there. Bro, where did this come from? I do not want to get my hand dirty, bro. Do you want to get your hand dirty? 450. That's what it is. It's a 450. Me calling myself pressure washing it good, but look at all that. I give up, bro. I give up, bro. Don't none come from giving up, but giving up. Alright, y'all want to buy a Yoshimir
RS12.
What is RS12? Full exhaust kit. Leave a comment below. It's coming off the bike, man. Nephew, I ain't gonna tell you how to live your life, but I will show you how to live. Oh yeah, nephew. I won't tell you how to live that something, but I sure will show you how to live. Got that stock back on now. What you think? Out the market off. It's 12.
Some say stupid. Some
like
say it's nice.
So
this shit dangerous, dude. Ain't got no brakes on it.
The mini
ain't
bike
got no
dangerous.
brakes and this whole go like
50.
So man's going 50 and I
I
can't
don't
hit
mean
no
it's
brakes.
dangerous though. First started in 12 years, bro.
35, I guess, would be you.
feel like I'm walking it better because it ain't loud. I fuck with it.
I missed your first wheel. I ain't gonna count that jump hard when you were coming up the hill. Oh my
Bro,
God.
why you miss it, bro? You can walk it. Let me see you walk.
I ain't going out like
huh?
I ain't going out like you.
Let me see you walk. You don't think you can walk? But you want to walk the 4-5?
Cause it got back brake. This don't got nothing. This one ain't got front brake.
It ain't got front
It
brake.
ain't even got front brakes.
Yeah, it
bro.
do. Yeah, front brake. The little thumper right here, yo, show him. I done ran out of gas on the little motherfucker. That make me a 12 o'clock, boy. That make me 12 o'clock. I told you. Open the door. I told you to stop in.
Wipe your glasses off.
Tell him I told you.
Big goddamn
What happened right there, bro?
Yeah, I tried to get on the motor. I said, "God damn, pig!" I'm gonna broke my goddamn toe. Here you go, grandson. My daddy said, "Grandson, here you go."
You don't want to ride no more?
Yeah, now I got
that whole went in the air.
Yeah, I'm in there, goddamn.
You supposed to throw it, man. Let me take my shit up. You got to tighten chain up, boat. 450 getting the light bar. He already knows what's going on. Right there. We're going to be able to see the moon man. The man on the moon. The moon man. 2023 RMZ 450. We just put the light bar on it. Why do you crank it like this? You got the light bar on there. 2023 RMZ 450 with the light bar. What you think about it, boat? How you running, boat? I think my only worry is that it's not forward. It's more shooting up like that. I need everything in front of me to light up. Well, I tried to straighten it up the best I could. Yeah, man.
Oh God, you did that. Pressure wash.
He said walk around pressure watching people.
Give me your money.
Give me your money. Come on, don't be like that. Give me your money.
Hey, bro, don't put that in me. That shit dangerous.
Yeah, Don, give me your money.
That's way worse than the good. I'm straight on the good. I mean, I'm straight on that. That was cold too.
You must ain't got no money. Give him the money.
It's on cash. Yo. Give my phone.
Alright, tell them pants up. Give me your money.
Hey, dude, take that over and do it like that.
Give me your money.
If you crank
give
it
me
up,
your money.
Stop playing with pressure wash. Stop playing, cuz. Alright.
What that supposed to mean? Pooh shy? I got the gun.
Alright.
What you talking about? Alright. What you gonna do? You must got one too. Come on. Come on, man. You don't want to play, man.
Get the toes.
You don't motherfucker. Give me your shit.